She survived the one practice we're getting this week. Not without issues. What we learned today. In a pinch, a pry bar works very well as a gear shift. You know, it goes all the way down. Hose clamp, zip tied. That happened before practice even started. And electronics don't like water. We were reminded of that. So try to avoid mounting your electronics where the connectors go up when it's gonna rain. They like to collect water. But she survived. We had a 14.0 as our fast time today. And next time we'll be out at the track will be opening night. So, we survived practice, our only round of practice.
So, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a few months. I've been busy building the coupe. Everybody gave me the thumbs up on how it looks and stuff like that. We had our first practice session yesterday. Didn't go without any issues, which is why we have practice days and stuff like that. Got the car set up, ready to go, unloaded. After the rain delay, we had morning showers, so kind of car got soaked on the way out since I still have the open trailer, which is now a mistake on our part. Got unloaded, tried to track about 2 hours after, 2.5 hours. We got some cars on the racetrack, got out, kind of felt the car out for on the first practice round. Nothing too crazy, felt good. Well, prior to that, warming it up in the pits and went around the pit lane, my shifter handle broke. So I'm like, okay, we have to do something here. The parts guy did not have one, which is like long shot anyway. So we jerry-rigged the shifter handle to get that going. And once that was off my mind, we went for the first round. The car felt good, engine felt good, everything felt good.
You weren't pushing it.
I wasn't pushing it. Said, all right, second round, I'll get on a little bit more and stuff like that. You know, just trying to get comfortable back in the car and stuff like that. About 3 laps into it, started breaking up the engine. Like, all right, it wasn't too bad. I'm like, all right, but we're down, so I didn't push it anymore and stuff like that. But let me do quarter entry, braking, you know, work on that. Got in, checked over things, nothing obvious, and then as I'm talking to myself and answering myself, like, you stupid idiot. The way the red box in these cars, or the ignition box, is usually mounted is horizontally. I, for some reason, mounted vertically with the connector coming from the top. Well, with all the rain we had in the morning and driving out there in the rain, and
We don't have a car cover.
Sitting in the pits, having it rained on, water collected into the connector. So I took the connector out, and there was water dripping out of it. And anybody who knows electronics, water and electronics do not like each other. So I was able to blow it out, stuff like that, and was hoping that that would be the grim fix, but unfortunately it was not. So I don't know if water got into the red box itself. That is for this week's discoveries. But other than that, driving a coupe for the first time, Willwood brakes on the front for the first time, good setup in the car. Car felt good. I felt comfortable in the car. I felt that I could do more with this car than I could with the sedan. I wasn't as tail happy. Once I was able to, the few moments that I was able to concentrate on hitting the turns, the car turned very well. With all the issues that we had, we were only half a second off the top guys, which is a gain. But if I had everything running right and stuff like that, I'm sure I could have clicked off another 2/10. So I think we're
right where we want to be.
Right where I was hoping to be. Plus, I used last year's tires, so nothing new on that. I'll be mounting up new tires for opening night. But other than that, I'm happy with the car. It's up on jack stands right now, doing some maintenance work on it, and then we won't be hitting the next practice for family.
Yeah, we can't say the exact reason.
A family situation, which a good situation.
Family obligation.
Obligation. That's the word I was looking for. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the season. I hope to, keep it off the wall, keep the tires forward, be more competitive.
And obviously, we're in a car, but it's a Sunday.
Yes.
Where are we going?
We've made another deal.
Don't know. I had no part in this.
Okay, I made another deal. Apparently, I am now being known as the 1250 guy. So I am on my way to pick up 2 or 3 rebuildable engines. I do believe 2 are 1200s and 1 is a 1250. One of our fellow competitors has upgraded his car, and I'm buying up everybody's leftovers. And I'm going to be running it, be more competitive, and we'll go from there. So on that note, we'll see you on the flip side of this acquisition of ours. Peace out.